Laws.com Legal Forms Guide.
Form 83-105, Mississippi Corporate Income and Franchise Tax Return. Corporations doing business in Mississippi can use a Form 83-105 to file and pay their state income and franchise tax owed. This document is found on the website of the Mississippi Department of Revenue. Step 1. If you are not filing on a calendar year basis, enter the beginning and ending dates of your tax year. Step 2. Enter your Federal Employer Identification Number and your Mississippi Secretary of State Identification Number. Step 3. Enter your legal name and your trade DBA name and your address, as well as your county and NAICS code. Step 4. Indicate with a check mark if you are filing an amended or final return, as well as if you are a 100% in-state business or are using either multi-state apportioning or direct accounting methods. Step 5. Enter your taxable capital on line 1, your franchise tax due on line 2, and your franchise tax credit on line 3. Subtract line 3 from line 2 to determine your net franchise tax due on line 4. Step 6. Lines 5 through 8 concern computation of your income tax due. Indicate with a check mark. Step 7. Lines 9 through 21 concern final calculations of your tax or refund owed, including any penalty and interest due if filing late. Step 8. Part 1 on the second page asks if you are a publicly traded corporation, if this is your final return, and if you have been sold or merged. Provide all information requested. Step 9. In Part 2, give the name, title, address, Social Security number, and ownership percentage of all corporate officers. Step 10. In Part 3, give the name, Federal Employer Identification Number, address, and entity type of all entities owned by or affiliated with your corporation. An officer should sign and date the bottom of the second page.
To watch more videos, please make sure to visit laws.com.